Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I will guide you on how to activate Lloyds Bank credit card online. I will walk you through in the process step by step, so make sure to watch this video till the end to know exactly how to do it. Now firstly, open any web browser on your PC. Now on your URL bar, search for lloydsbank.com/credit-card/activate and then press enter on your keyboard. And once you search for it, you will see this type of interface on your screen. Now scroll this page a bit down and then tap on this activate your card online button. And once you tap on it, you will be able to see several options on your screen. Now tap on this activate your credit card button. And once you tap on it, you will taken to the next page where you have to type in your credit card number and then choose your date of birth, and after that you have to choose your expiry date of that card. And once you're done with filling your details, tap on activate button. And once you tap on activate button, you will be able to activate your Lloyds Bank credit card online. Now that was the video on how to activate Lloyds Bank credit card online. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.